Hey YouTube, so today I'm doing a startup and shutdown of my aunt and uncle's Trane straight cool air conditioner from May of 2000. It is a 2.5 ton. There's the compressor. It's a Climate-Tough compressor. So yeah, this is the upstairs system. That's the downstairs system. But we're gonna get to it now, so I'll find a place to set the camera and I'll be on my way. Alright, I'm just gonna set it down by the compressor. Alright. There you go. The coils are nice and clean. Well, look at that spider. Wow. Alright. It is 73 degrees in the house. I just set it to 70 so it would come on. We haven't had the systems run in like 2 days. Got a big rain shower yesterday and it's been a little bit cool. But I just did it for the video.